Supreme Court to hear Alabama appeal in push to execute intellectually disabled man. On November 25, 1997, police in Mobile County discovered the body of 37-year-old Dirk Van Dam in his Ford Ranger pickup, abandoned and stuck in the mud near Shipyard Road. What they found was a scene of shocking violence. The victim, Van Dam, had suffered 35 blunt force injuries, according to a forensic pathologist. He had marks from a saw on his neck, shoulder, and back, a massive hemorrhage under his scalp, swelling in the brain, multiple fractured ribs, and a collapsed lung, the likely immediate cause of death. His body also showed defensive wounds on his hands, indicating he fought back before succumbing. Joseph Clifton Smith told police that he had just been released from custody on Friday, 2 days before the robbery that Sunday. He ultimately admitted that he and an accomplice, Larry Reed, planned to rob Van Dam, believing he was carrying $1,500 in cash. After leading Van Dam to a remote area, they ambushed him. Smith admitted to kicking and hitting Van Dam, throwing a handsaw at him, and possibly striking him with a hammer. Reed allegedly used a power saw on Van Dam's neck while Smith held him down. They stole his boots, tools, and cash, dividing just $140 between them. Smith was convicted and sentenced in 1998. Over 25 years later, his legal case remains in limbo due to arguments that he is intellectually disabled and therefore ineligible for the death penalty. With IQ scores ranging from 72 to 78, the U.S. Supreme Court recently sent the case back to a lower court, asking for a clearer ruling. While legal debates continue, what remains clear is the brutal nature of Dirk Van Dam's death, an act of senseless violence that left a lasting scar on his community.